Well, guys, it is time to do some work. Hey guys, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my videos. I literally post a video every single day. Alright guys, so what are we doing today? We're doing a whole bunch of work. Today, we are just taped this up with tape. We are painting these bumper brackets black and letting them dry. And we're attaching the grill back to the front. And one thing I don't like what happened, so this right here, we're gonna be also attaching, guys, the chrome pieces, the chrome trim, all those holes that you see all back to the car. This will help us put them back together if the little clips are not able to hold the chrome pieces straight. That's what's gonna help. So the grill needed these brackets, and not only the brackets, they also needed the screws. Let me show you guys. So here's the screws. That's what it's needed. Basically, the body shop, the paint guy, took this chrome grill off without permission and broke all the brackets. What we wanted him to actually do is, because there was like an opening, is paint around as much as you can and shove the paint from underneath of the grill. But instead, he took the chrome grill off without permission and broke everything. That's why we didn't want to take it off. Now, I'm going to show you some things, guys. Also, other than putting back the chrome pieces back, we plan to put the window back out so the car can sit outside and not be exposed to rain if it rains. That's the front bumper brackets that we have to paint black as well. I bought a black rubberized undercoat spray can, and one should be enough to do the trick on the bumper brackets. And also, there's some extra paint here, honestly, as well too. Here's what we also got to do, guys, and I got to show you. We got our game plan. So we got, like I said, put the windows back. I'll probably start putting back the interior slowly. Gonna put this back and that back in there as well. I did buy a Pioneer radio kit, which was on sale at Walmart for $50. As you can see, 4 speakers. It will include, I think, 4 speakers and receiver. Hopefully, we might not get to it today, but we're gonna at least get to what I'm mentioning now. We gotta relocate the hood back in place. It's adjustable, and put all the letters and emblems back on. And as you can see, that's where the grill goes. Everything works and functions perfectly. And also to put the bumpers back on, as well as putting back on the rally racing, basically the rally racing, I forgot what they call visor. So the visor might be a separate video, but whatever I mentioned, we're gonna do today. This color is actually really awesome. As you can see, it has a turquoise pearl on it. I'm really impressed how he did, except I'm not a fan. I mean, yes, he did a good job. It's smart to take the whole grill off, but he could have painted it without putting the grill back on, because the previous owner, this car was originally dusty blue, ended up painting it silver, and he never took anything off. He just painted around it. So we did it kind of the proper way, but because of that, it's more work, because everything's rusty and breaks. So that's why these brackets right here, they were easy to take off, while these ones, we're gonna have to paint them like this, with the paper all around, so we don't paint the car, because unfortunately, that's the only way to do it. So let's get to it, guys. Wrong one. That's where the radio goes. Guys, it's turned out to look really, really nice now. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Alright guys, as you can see, putting all the chrome pieces back in. The car looks really lovely. Still got to put the front on the hood, the chrome piece back on. But if you take a look down here, put that back on. That was a pain to put back on. All the emblems back on. I'm about to put the second rubber stone guard back on. So far all the chrome pieces are matching up, going back in. This is what I also put in the front of the car, B18. Still got to put the emblems back on, but look at that, B18 with that. So it's coming together, guys, coming together. All right guys, so gonna have to cut this video short, and I'm gonna explain why. As you can see, I attempted to put on the second chrome piece, which I put it on, but couldn't get to it. I put the Volvo symbols back on, so I glued them back on. So when I come back tomorrow, they dry up. I have to wash them off with Windex or whatnot and warm water to get all the glue residue off everywhere. But yeah, they are doing very well. They're gonna be not going anywhere. They're gonna dry up, and it's gonna be perfect. So the other piece, I have broken bolts, so I have to go to a place to get bolts. So I'm gonna carry the second chrome piece with me. Other than that, guys, I'm hoping these brackets of mine, I hope they dry up tomorrow so that I can install the bumpers, because we got that installed, which was a pain to install. Now I just gotta wait for these things to dry. Still a whole bunch of stuff to hook up. Still got interior work to do, including the radio install and stuff like that. And we had to do this out of wood because the rubber here has integrated metal in there. So to put it back up, we had to bend it. So now we put glue and bent it back in place, and hopefully overnight, once it's finished, we can remove that. It'll be all good to go. So yeah, we got a long while yet to go, guys. We got not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2006 turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.